everyone, I am John Nancy with Chocolate Alchemy. I am here today to talk to you about a trio of brewing cocos we have. It is our newest offering in 2023 and one we took basically about 9 months to develop. It is a great intro for brewing cocoa. Delta means change, and we branched off of that. We springboarded off of that delta, that change, and we have 3 expressions of it. We've got Spring Awakenings. It is the lightest. It's very floral. There are hints of coconut, maybe a little bit of blossoms, depending on how you brew it. For someone who, myself I'm speaking about, really loves deep brooding, chocolatey things, I love this one, and it's so light and refreshing. It really surprised me, and there you go. I want to share that. The entire inspiration here was moving through the seasons. And so we started with Spring Awakening and moved to Summer Twilight. And it's the same flavor base, blended and roasted just a little darker, a little more body, nothing too aggressive, very approachable. Chocolate notes, some wine and tannin notes, very middle of the road and balanced. And, I like it too. It's sort of damning with faint praise there, but there you go. And it ends up with one I call Winter's Rest. And it's just what you would expect. We've got darker chocolate notes, darker roast notes. I'm a stout drinker, and I time and again got roast barley flavors off of it. Doesn't have barley, it's just the flavor. I liked them all. Like I said, I was most blown away myself, and I made it with Spring Awakenings, but I really love how they all merge together and have them in the same day, morning, noon, night, have them in the spring, summer, winter. Just go with however you're feeling. Try them out. They're a good sampler. And I really want to know what you think of them.